Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Blackhead Remover Vacuum Julien Facial Pore Cleanser Electric Acne Comedone Extractor Kit USB Rechargeable Blackhead Suction Tool with LED display for facial skin green. Meanwhile, it has 4 suction heads for different skin conditions. Cleans up blackhead, removes dirt, grease, reduces dead skin and fine lines, massage and tighten the skin. The suction power on the higher levels is really strong. The different heads allow you to get in the nooks and crannies for sure. Yes, the suction is strong, so don't leave it in one spot too long. But that's so easy to do. The suction power is strong. The 4 fittings you get, you only need 2, which is the fine lines oval fitting and the large. Speaking from personal experience, it does leave areas a little red and puffy, but they do fade over a few minutes to a couple of hours. It does get kinda gross after a while, and had to take the whole thing apart to clean the inside tube, and it was nasty. Meanwhile, it has 4 suction heads for different skin conditions. Cleans up blackhead, removes dirt, grease, reduces dead skin and fine lines, massage and tighten the skin. It conforms to the principles of human body engineering and handhold design. Easy to carry. You can enjoy your professional spa skincare at home or traveling. My one advice is to make sure you don't keep it long in one spot or you are gonna get a hickey. It's also oddly satisfying seeing the glob after you're done of all the garbage being pulled out of your face. You want to keep it moving and leave it slightly longer, a few seconds, in trouble areas like the nose and chin. You want to cleanse daily. Make sure you're removing all of your makeup and do some exfoliation as well to remove the dead skin and allow the dirt and oils to be sucked out of the pores. Very important to know is the suction power is strong, so you don't get any bruises in your face the next day. It comes with multiple different attachments depending on which part of your face, nose, chin, forehead, etc. you are trying to extract from. Do not skip this step for best results. You really want to make sure your pores are nice and opened up. It charges quite fast and has a lot of suction power. It would be great for even the deepest of blackheads. My face feels so clean afterwards, not to mention it feels like velvet. You not only feel how clean it makes your face, but you can see the proof inside the top and filter when you redone. Surprised this works so well. Blackheads look so much better. Love that it has different suction levels for different parts of the face. Works so much better than scrubs or pore strips and masks. This thing is amazing. It has great suction at varying levels, 4 interchangeable heads to fit your needs, and comes fully charged. If you have teens, you know blackheads are par for the course. This little tool really does a number on them. When ours arrived, the teens were more than excited to give it a try, and up to the bathroom they went. He was thoroughly impressed by the results, and the rest of the family had a good chuckle for the next day or two while his initial success faded. On my chin it seemed to work pretty well, and looking at my vacuum there was quite a bit of grime on the inside. Lots of grammar mistakes. Product otherwise is great. Suction is good, and all the connectors it comes with are easy to put on and off. Put a warm wet towel on my face for a few minutes and then got to work on my zone. Also, if you wanted to suction, you have to increase the suctioning power, which can leave some marks, redness where you suction. This product really helps to clean out their pores and clear up their skin. It works best on clean skin and a low setting. My problem area is my nose, and you can see how much buildup it cleans out when you clean out the nozzle. It's a little uncomfortable at first, but definitely better than squeezing them out. The original nose was very rough to the touch. It does its job well with excellent suction power that you need to be careful with, as you don't want to bruise your skin. Make sure also to have a facial steamer for better results. This cleanser works well, very powerful. It can really suck the blackhead out. It can absorb blackheads, reduce acne, and the function is really too strong. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.